Namaste. This is Yogi Sagar and today we are going to do an interesting experiment. Now this experiment we are going to do with Rudraksh. Rudraksh are, as you know, as according to Indian mythology, they are sacred beads. They are sacred seeds of a plant. These Rudraksh are extremely intelligent beads. I'll say intelligent because I will tell you how intelligent they are and how they help us to determine whether some things are good for us or they are not good for us. Now, you must be wondering why clothes. A couple of months back, I actually saw one of the videos of Sadhguru in which he mentioned that how important it is to keep your clothes in a proper way, in a folded way, always in a folded way, in a proper way, in a neat place. You should not always throw your throw your clothes into your wardrobe. You should make sure that they are properly kept with a fold, of course. Now, when I was a small kid, or even when I was like few years back, I never used to keep them in a proper way. Like I used to just throw them inside the wardrobe, and I never really understood that why most of the times we feel agitated or we feel a little bit stressed, or that there is always a constant anxious pattern in our behavior or in our day-to-day life that we don't understand. Now today, with the help of Rudraksh, I am going to tell you. Actually, I am just going to extend Sadhguru's experiment which he did. So he did it with a crumpled paper. He did it with the paper. He crumpled it and he showed that how Rudraksha behaves, and then he folded it in a proper way, and then he showed how Rudraksha behaves. He was actually giving an experiment about clothes, like why you should keep them in a proper and neat way, and how they affect us. So this is one of my t-shirt, okay. And normally what we do is when you put them for drying, you take them out, and most of the people, I'll say most of the people, not all of the people, most of the people just keep them like this and take them all in and just put them in the wardrobe. Now I will tell you what is the difference. See, suppose I just got this thing from my dryer, so wherever you dry your clothes, okay, and this is how I kept it. So we'll take a Rudraksh now, and as you know, anything like if it is for life, it is good for us. Rudraksh will actually move clockwise, and if it is not for us, as in like if it is not good for life, it is not pro-life, then it will move in the anti-clockwise direction. So as you know, I have kept a t-shirt right in front of you. So I'm just going to hold Rudraksh on top of this, and you can see that how this behaves. Okay, so here it is. So as you can see, it is moving anti-clockwise because I have not folded it in proper way. It is moving anti-clockwise, okay? So let's keep this down, and now let's fold this in the proper way and see what happens. Okay. And as you can see that now it is folded. So now you see that it is actually moving clockwise. In clockwise direction. You can see that I am not moving my hand because a lot of people always feel that this is some kind of magic trick. If you have your own Rudraksh, then you can practice it and you can see by yourself, you can experiment it and it will show the same result. So this is the basic difference. Rudraksh captures the aura. It understands the aura of any object you put when you put Rudraksh on top of it. So what happens is that when you wear proper folded clothes, they have a certain energy. So when you wear them, you will feel a little bit calm, relaxed. But when you try to wear the clothes which are not properly folded or which are kept somewhere in the wardrobe or which are not kept in a properly or a nice way, then you will see that the kind of aura it attracts, the kind of energy field it attracts is not good. When you wear them, you will see that you will be a little bit anxious or stressed or in some negative way you will be restless, is what I'm trying to say. So you don't have to believe me. What you can do is, if you have a Rudraksh, if you have a proper Rudraksh, if you have a authentic Rudraksh, then you can experiment this at your own place with your own t-shirt or whatever you want to experiment it with, and you can see that the same result will be there. So this video I am making it especially for youngsters to make this as a habit. For me, it took after my 20s, or say after in my mid 20s, I became a little bit more responsible and I started keeping things in a proper way. But I want young kids to actually see this video, learn from this video and make it a habit that you always keep your clothes in a proper way, and you don't make sure that your mom and dad works for you, but you keep your clothes in a proper way, so that if this becomes a habit, you will see gradually that the negative effects, which already a lot of the pollution is there, then the kind of food we eat, the kind of thoughts we have, the kind of emotions we have, we are already fighting with those many things just to make sure that we are calm and we are living a happy life. But just these small things also impact a lot on your life, in your mental psyche, in your mental balance, in your emotional balance, in your basic human system balance. So please make sure that, though I am specifically calling for young kids, but I want to tell everyone that this is basically the scientific reason behind keeping the clothes properly folded. It is definitely it is good to see that in a wardrobe, when the clothes are properly folded, it looks nice. But behind that looks nice factor is this scientific factor that when you wear a folded t-shirt or folded pant or whatever you are wearing, it carries a certain energy. And that energy, when you wear it, it becomes your own energy. I think it becomes your aura. So make sure that you keep your clothes always folded. And I thank Sadhguru to actually give a reason behind this. I had no clue about that. So I urge everyone that please, now you have known a reason. So you don't have to simply follow your parents' words, and you don't have to follow their nagging. You know that this is the proper reason, and so this is the way to do it, and it will definitely it does affect your life, but it will definitely affect your life in a positive way if you make sure that you make this as a habit. Thank you.